In today's tutorial, you are going to learn how to withdraw money from your Binance account to Zen. Zen is an online banking platform where you can open an account and perform the normal services that anyone who owns a bank account can do. Send, receive, and do SEPA transactions. So it's a really awesome platform. Just go to the App Store and search for Zen. That's Zen, and download the platform. So I want to walk you through how to withdraw money from your Binance account straight away to your Zen. You can do this with any other account, but for this tutorial I want us to focus on Zen. So this is the interface of Binance. You go to more. What you're looking for is where it says withdraw fiat. So I'm gonna go to withdraw fiat. You can see here it says withdraw fiat. I click on withdraw fiat and it's gonna take me to this interface where I'm going to insert the amount that I want to withdraw to my Zen account. So right now you can see I have 56 euro. If you convert that 62 euros, you give me 56 euros. That's $62. It's gonna give me 56 euros. So you can see continue. I'm gonna continue. It's gonna take me to the next interface where I'm gonna now confirm the amount. So I want to withdraw everything. I'm gonna click continue. I have okay, now is the time for me to choose which account. You can see account number, payment method, SEPA, bank transfer, instant. So I want to change this account to a different account. I have some accounts here, so I'm going to change it to the first account. That's my Zen account. So I'm going to continue, and the fee for this transaction is going to be $1. Whenever you do a transaction, a separate transaction on Binance, that means you send from Binance to your bank account or from your bank account to Binance, you're going to pay a €1 fee. It doesn't matter how much you send. If you send 10 million, 500 million, you're going to pay €1 account fee, or let me say charges. Right, so let's continue. Now it's going to say I'm going to authenticate, submit, or I'm going to go to my authenticator app to confirm this transaction. I'm gonna copy, paste it there, boom, continue. Yeah, so you can see it says withdraw order submitted. I don't know how long it will take for this transaction to be successful, but I think it's gonna take you can see fiat withdrawal successful. I just got our information. So let me go to my Zen account. Before I had just €3 on my Zen account. So let me see if say the money is already there on my Zen account. No, it's not yet there. So or maybe it will take some time. Usually with Zen, I think it should take about some few seconds or minutes for it to get there. So let me see, let's wait a little bit for that to arrive. And guys, if say you want to actually learn more on how to use the Binance platform, I've created a lot of videos on how to navigate Binance, withdraw money, send money, trade P2P, all that good stuff that you can do with this amazing platform. I've created a video about it, so make sure you take advantage of that. And if say you face any challenges, comment below, or you can send me a message through my private group. Go join my private group. The links are found below this video. There I share content about cryptocurrencies, help anyone out there who is interested to learn more about the industry. And if say you want one-on-one with me, there's a link below this video where you can connect with me one-on-one through Zoom. So my link tree is below this video. Go to my link tree. You're gonna see different stuff that I offer to you guys, and also you're gonna see a link where you can connect with me directly 15 minutes and we discuss what you're going through. So we're gonna wait a little bit for this money to arrive my Zen account. So guys, you can see right now it shows new incoming transfer. So now I have the money in my account. So it's roughly about 5 to 6 minutes that this transaction was successful. So you can see how quick it is to send money from your Binance account to your Zen account. So go and enjoy, withdraw money from Binance. If this video was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such tutorial, then you should go right now and smash the subscribe button, like this content at least so that it can reach out to more people, and don't forget to comment below your thought about the content if it did provide some value to you. Having said all this good stuff, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Ciao.